Hello, my name's David, and today I'm going to give you a quick overview of Mandala as a whole. Let's start by looking at the booking screen. Now the booking screen is divided into a number of sections. Up here you have the toolbar, which is which you use to navigate to different areas of the program. This area here denotes the therapist columns. Mandala is divided into booking columns, and it's generally preferred to have one therapist per column, and so these names up here are the first names of the therapists working out of that column. Down below we have a navigation area allowing you to quickly jump to whatever date of the year you need to look at. On the right here we have notes for the given day that you are looking at. And these are easily editable from the front screen. For example, these are Friday note and can be edited without going anywhere else to do so. And that's a really quick and handy way to communicate between your receptionists. And if I switch days, you can see that the notes are different for each day, of course. So that if you were working, say, on Friday and you wanted to leave a note to whoever was working on the desk the next morning, then writing something, "Hey Mandy, don't forget whatever," is a great way to ensure that they'll actually read and see that note. And now down here we have the roster area, which shows staff availability. It doesn't have to be a formal roster, it just can be hours available, and that is defined in the roster area of Mandala separately. If you click on these names, you will actually create columns for these people, and you'll have shaded areas. You can see that just faintly in the background there of their working hours, which is quite handy. Okay, let's quickly look at the booking screen. To make a booking, it's as simple as clicking on the hour that you would like to book. So say we'd like to book in Sarah at 9 a.m. A guest with Sarah. We grab the guest name. Perhaps the guest has been here before. No R's. Is there an S? Yes. So Rupert might be having a relaxation massage. We've already got Sarah in the column. We've got some details stored here for Rupert already. Okay, so we've created a booking just like that. Now, of course, we can move a booking quite easily. Note, if we move a booking, Sarah stays as a therapist until we set it otherwise. So now in Mandy's column, we've got a booking for Sarah. So you can have multiple therapists in the one column if you so desire. Or if you wanted to switch that booking to Mandy, you would click this little hidden button here, and that would assign all bookings in that column to that therapist. So we go like that, and now this is Mandy's appointment. Switching it back to Sarah. We can change duration if we so desire. We can make clones if we so desire. We can delete, we can undelete. We can flag as having arrived. We can flag as having paid. And we can sell, put it through the sales system, just like this. Say they pay cash, or no, let's say they pay credit card. So we go type. Let's say they use MasterCard, pay out the full amount, and that appointment is sold. So it's really quick and easy to make a sale. Scrolling down a bit, we can see these here are notes that can be left for the therapists working out of each column, so that when we print out the staff notes, let's print out the staff notes now, we can see that in Amy's column, you can see that this is a note left for Amy, and in the morning you'll print this out, give it to Amy, and Amy will be able to read that, oh, at 2:15 I'm away for a few hours, or whatever note it is that needs to be transmitted to your therapist. And you can see in the staff notes they're very comprehensive. This is listing past treatments that this guest has had. Obviously, this is all the vital information. This is the visit count, so this guest hasn't had any other visits. This is the first visit for this guest because there's one past, no future, and the past is probably indicating today, because I'm actually doing this after 1 p.m. Scrolling down to another person, we can see Mandy. The therapist is the guest is actually the next treatment this guest is having is with Mandy, so that's why it says to self. And if you have a look here, it says to self again, so that guest is once again having another treatment with Mandy. And as you can see, that's true. Ellen, all having treatments with Mandy. And you can see Ellen's past treatments right there. So the staff notes is a very important area of Mandala, and I've put a lot of time and effort into it to make sure that it looks that it has all the information that you need. Okay, how to leave a note for a staff member. It's as simple as right-clicking, creating a note. Hello, Rudolph. You can colour them if you like. Select the duration. The note goes there. Once again, you can change durations to block out periods, etc. Moving a note. Okay, what else would we like to say? Let's say Ellen is going to check out now. Let's say she's had her appointments. So we can highlight those appointments. We can actually highlight those appointments and we'll sell them. So we right-clicked on them and selected sale. Now we've got both appointments there. And if Ellen also wanted some retail items, we can add an item very easily. Say she bought a candle, or maybe she even bought 2 candles. Okay, maybe she bought something else as well. Maybe she bought moisturizer, 1. And the way that the point of sale is designed, it's really easy to edit something that you've already done. For example, say you wanted to put a 10% discount on the candles. Just go to discount on the candles, put in 10%, and that would be done for you. So you don't have to go back and re-edit sales. You can do everything on the one screen without leaving. And then perhaps she pays in cash. Well, then you've got a button with the exact change. Maybe she does. You've got a button here that will do that instantly for you. So you just go cash tender, OK, and the sale is put through. Okay, what else do we have here? Let's say adding a new staff member. Here's staff here. These are our staff members. Staff members have skills assigned to them. Let's say we wanted to add a new staff member called Killer Carl Crump. And give Killer mobile 04. And give him a nickname, which is a fabulous nickname for a spa therapist. And give Killer some skills. I think Killer sounds like a remedial therapist if ever I've heard of one. Okay. And there's other fields there that you can fill out at your discretion. You don't need to, and some notes as well. He's really a nice guy. So we've added Killer to our list, and if we wanted to make an appointment for Killer, we'll see that he's there. So this is bookmark. We try to book a heated stone massage for Killer, and you can see he's in grey there. That's because he doesn't know how to do that treatment, but he does know how to do a remedial massage, and there he is in the dark font. So that's how easy it is to enter in a new therapist. You can see that this is Sarah's columns, not Killer's, but we can change that. We can just delete the column with a click of a mouse button, and now it's Killer's column.